Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Jen Kenzie Ahau, no Nuhaka, me Rekohu. I have been a trustee on Kahungunu Marae since 2017. So today I would like to talk to you about what needs repair in here. So starting with our kōwhaiwhai on our ceiling, they're starting to discolour, so they will be in our near future cleaned. Some of our tukutuku needs attention. I'm just going to point out them. Some of our tukutuku needs attention, which will be done in the future, and some of our reeds need replacing. And there's nothing urgent in here, but it all needs a lot of love and care. Where we are currently is in the old mattress room, which housed all the mattresses. We were advised to move them out of this room, out of the wharenui, in case of fire, because the light was right there. So we have done that. So come with me, we'll go to the little cabin and show you where we now hold the mattresses, the bedding and the pillows. So from the old mattress room in the wharenui, we now have created this cabin to hold our mattresses, our bedding, all our linen and our pillows.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Peri Ahau, and I'm a trustee on the Marae Committee, Kahungunu Marae Committee. Te tahinga, what are our visions with te tahinga? Firstly, we'd like to restore the whakairo on the maihi and the amo, and also restore the whakairo on the pai. Our second vision is to restore the kōwhaiwhai by repainting kōwhaiwhai, so our maho is back to its splendour. Inside te tahinga, we are concerned about our taonga, because we use it as a whare taonga, namely the photographs. We've found that they are fading. So we're looking at solutions to restore the photographs. We've tried curtains, but that hasn't worked. So some of you may have solutions. We use te tahinga as a haven for our taumātua and those with special needs who may need more privacy. So we're endeavouring to have the whare warm in the winter months and cooler in the summer months for our people. So these are some of our visions. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa.
Kia ora, whānau. I'm Joyce Lloyd and I'm on the Kahungunu Committee. I'm going to be talking about the dining room. We are waiting for the recovery team to assess the mould in the walls, and then the skirting will be replaced and the walls will be painted. In the winter, the dining room is very cold, and we want a ceiling in the dining room and the kitchen. The extension for the table and chairs needs to go out towards the flats to accommodate them and give us more space in the dining room. The kitchen needs to be extended to the chiller to create a big workspace and lots of storage. Kia ora.